Welcome back to Tech World. Apple has just dropped the brand new iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, and they're packed with powerful upgrades. In this video, we'll cover the top 10 highlights you need to know. Let's jump right in. Number 10. New colors and premium design. The iPhone 17 Pro comes in stunning new finishes, like cosmic orange, deep blue, and silver. It also has a sleek aluminum design with ceramic shield too, now protecting both the front and the back. Number 9. Brighter display. The Super Retina XDR display is brighter than ever, making it easier to see in direct sunlight. Plus, iOS 26 brings new lock screen widgets and live activities. Number 8. Longest zoom ever. Apple has boosted the telephoto camera with a 56% larger sensor and up to 8 times optical quality zoom. This is the longest and sharpest zoom ever on an iPhone. Number 7. Pro-level video features. Filmmakers will love this. The iPhone 17 Pro supports ProRes RAW, Apple Log 2, and even Genlock Sync. You can also record with the front and back cameras at the same time. Number 6. Bigger battery life. Apple says this is the longest-lasting iPhone battery yet. Even with more features, you'll get hours of extra video playback and everyday use. Number 5. Vapor chamber. Cooling inside, Apple has added a vapor chamber cooling system. That means less overheating when gaming, filming in 4K, or running demanding apps. Number 4. Ceramic shield. 2. Ceramic shield is now on both the front and back of the iPhone 17 Pro. Apple claims it's up to 3 times tougher against scratches and drops. Number 3. Smarter front camera. The front camera is now 18 megapixels with center stage, which automatically keeps you framed during video calls, whether you're in portrait or landscape mode. Number 2. Fusion camera system. The rear cameras are all 48 megapixels, main, ultra-wide, and telephoto. They combine for sharper photos, better low-light shots, and pro-level detail. Number 1. The A19 Pro chip. Finally, the star of the show, the A19 Pro chip. It's the most powerful iPhone processor ever, making gaming, AI tools, and creative workflows faster and smoother than ever before. Which feature impressed you the most? The new zoom, the A19 chip, or the upgraded design? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.